What's going on, guys? It's Jumaane with Silverdale, and today we tour a beautiful house in Silverdale, Washington. It's got a new roof, and you don't have to worry about electricity. It's taken care of with the solar panels on the roof. Let's go check it out. Upon entering the house, we encounter these beautiful French doors, which lead to a potential home office space. One of the things that I like about the kitchen is that there's so much counter space. You can be doing all your prep work and all the while looking at the beautiful backyard. It's rather nice. You know, the more time I spend in the backyard, the more I fall in love with it. You got a perfect spot for a bonfire behind me. You got the shed, nice deck here for a barbecue, your family, your kids. You even got plenty of backyard for dogs. You could even start your own garden. The two-car garage is actually split into two, and you can use this half as a yoga studio or an at-home gym. Thanks for coming along the tour, and we'll see you on the next one.